Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new Firefox version once again. That is a small update to fix a few bugs. So if you go and use Firefox, go into the upper right hamburger menu, click the Help, and then About Firefox, and you will be moved up from 125.0.2 to 125.0.3. So no security updates in here. This is purely bug fixes. One of them is if you had Firefox already running, you would open another Firefox browser and then you'd have a blank page. That is one of the bugs that's fixed. And there's also, for Linux users, some incorrect layout and corruption in the text. There's also something for Japanese language. And basically just a few little things that are fixed to make sure that the browser works well. Once again, nothing security in here. So if you're using Firefox, you will get that update, or you can update it yourself and to fix all the little quirks that it has. I see a lot, actually a couple of people saying that they are unable to use Firefox with videos on YouTube and so on. And it's not really a problem that seems to be very common. One word of advice for some of you that have problems viewing videos with Firefox, I would say to make sure that you update your graphics adapter to the latest version. Sometimes old graphics drivers can be incompatible with newer technologies used in the web browsing, so that could be the case. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.